During the combined resolve exercise, U.S. soldiers tested the capabilities of the Skydio X-2D drone. The Skydio X-2D is cutting-edge, American-made small unmanned aircraft system, designed for rapid deployment, capable of being airborne in less than a minute. According to information published by the Economic Times, Armenia has chosen India's Trajan 155mm towed artillery system as part of its ongoing military modernization efforts. The Trajan 155mm towed artillery gun system is a next-generation artillery which offers superior accuracy, mobility, and firepower, with a range of over 40 kilometers depending on the type of ammunition used. The U.S. State Department has approved potential foreign military sale to Japan for up to 16 AGM joint air-to-surface standoff missiles with extended range, along with associated equipment and support. The long-range capabilities of the JASSM-ER will provide Japan with a strategic edge in addressing evolving threats in the Indo-Pacific region. Australia has received its first AS9 Huntsman self-propelled howitzer from South Korea. The AS9 Huntsman features a 155mm 52 caliber main gun capable of firing standard ammunition up to 40 kilometers and specialized rounds up to 60 kilometers.